If you're a homeowner in Colombia, you understand the importance of maintaining and improving the value of your property. One of the most effective ways to increase your home's value, both aesthetically and functionally, is through window replacement. Not only does this upgrade provide instant curb appeal, but it also offers long-term financial benefits in terms of energy efficiency, maintenance, and market value. In this article, we'll explore how replacing your windows can enhance your home's value and why it's a smart investment. Curb appeal and aesthetic appeal. First impressions matter, and your windows are one of the first things visitors or potential buyers notice when approaching your home. Outdated, cracked, or foggy windows can make a property appear neglected, diminishing its curb appeal. Replacing old windows with new, stylish options can drastically change the look of your home, boosting its exterior appeal and overall attractiveness. Modern window designs come in various styles, from sleek, contemporary frames to traditional wood-look finishes. Colombia homeowners can choose from materials like vinyl, fiberglass, or wood, each offering unique benefits in terms of aesthetics, durability, and maintenance requirements. New windows not only make your home more visually appealing, but they can also complement your home's architectural style, making it stand out in your neighborhood. Energy efficiency and cost saving. One of the most significant benefits of window replacement is the potential for increased energy efficiency. Older windows, especially those that are single pane or poorly sealed, can be major sources of energy loss, leading to higher heating and cooling costs. In Colombia's climate, where summers can be hot and humid and winters chilly, having energy-efficient windows can make a substantial difference in your energy bills. Today's modern windows are designed with insulation in mind. Double-pane windows, often filled with gas like argon or krypton, help reduce the transfer of heat between the inside and outside of your home. This means your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard to maintain a comfortable indoor temperature, leading to lower energy consumption and reduced utility costs. As a result, potential homebuyers will be drawn to the fact that they'll enjoy lower long-term energy expenses, adding to the value of your home. Enhanced comfort and noise reduction. Window replacement also contributes to a more comfortable living environment. Older windows with gaps or inadequate insulation can allow drafts to enter your home, leading to temperature fluctuations and uncomfortable living spaces. New, energy-efficient windows help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping rooms consistently comfortable year-round. Additionally, window replacement can help reduce outside noise, which is especially important for homes located in busy or noisy areas. Modern windows come with sound dampening features, such as multi-pane glass and advanced sealing technology, which can significantly cut down on external noise. This can make your home feel more peaceful and relaxing, an attractive feature for potential buyers. Low maintenance and durability. Another benefit of replacing your windows is the reduction in ongoing maintenance. Older windows often require frequent repairs, from resealing to replacing broken or cracked glass. New windows, however, are built to last and come with materials that require less upkeep. Vinyl, for example, is a low-maintenance option that resists warping, peeling, and fading, ensuring your windows stay looking great for years. Furthermore, many modern window options are designed to be more durable and weather-resistant. This is particularly beneficial in Colombia, where weather conditions can vary from heavy rains to extreme heat. With new, high-quality windows, you can expect fewer issues with weather-related wear and tear, keeping your home in top shape for a longer period. Return on investment, ROI. When it comes to home improvements, the return on investment, ROI, is a key factor for many homeowners. According to industry reports, window replacement is one of the top remodeling projects in terms of ROI. In Colombia, where the real estate market is competitive, upgrading your windows can make your home more appealing to buyers, leading to a higher selling price and a quicker sale. Studies have shown that homeowners can recoup a significant portion of the cost of window replacement when selling their home. For example, replacing old windows with energy-efficient ones can add thousands of dollars to your home's market value. The combination of enhanced curb appeal, improved energy efficiency, and reduced maintenance makes your home a more attractive investment for prospective buyers. Conclusion: window replacement is a smart investment for homeowners in Colombia looking to increase the value of their property. From boosting curb appeal and improving energy efficiency to enhancing comfort and reducing maintenance costs, new windows offer numerous benefits that translate into higher home value. Whether you're planning to sell your home soon or simply want to enjoy the advantages of modern windows for years to come, replacing your windows is a worthwhile investment that will pay off in both the short and long term.